tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Tired of office printers that slow you down, drop connections, and leave your data vulnerable? What if one device could redefine office efficiency and security? Today, we're diving deep into a powerhouse built to conquer your office's demands, the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101fdw. This isn't just a printer, it's a complete office solution engineered for small teams, offering lightning speed, uncompromised quality, and bulletproof security. First up, speed, every busy office's biggest craving. The HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101fdw boasts blazing fast print speeds of up to 42 black and white pages per minute. That's 42 pages. Imagine the time your team saves, no longer waiting for documents. It's not just raw speed, it's smart speed. With automatic two-sided printing, you're saving paper and doubling efficiency without lifting a finger. Plus, the auto document feeder for scanning and copying makes multi-page reports a breeze. For small teams up to 10 people, this performance directly translates into higher productivity, smoother workflows, and less frustration. You'll churn out professional quality documents in record time, making your office a productivity hub. Now, what good is speed if your printer can't stay connected or play nice with your devices? This is where the 4101fdw truly shines. It features intelligent Wi-Fi that actively seeks the strongest connection, ensuring your printer is always online and ready. No more dropped connections mid-print. And the flexibility is incredible. Whether on a PC, Mac, Chromebook, or printing directly from your mobile device or tablet via AirPrint or Android, this printer has you covered. With wireless printing, Ethernet, and even Bluetooth included, it seamlessly integrates into any modern office. Less friction, greater convenience, and the freedom to print securely from anywhere, empowering effortless access. In today's digital landscape, security isn't just a feature, it's a necessity. And HP, as America's most trusted printer brand, understands this implicitly. The 4101fdw comes equipped with HP Wolf Pro Security. This isn't just a basic firewall. It's a comprehensive, customizable suite designed to safeguard your printer and, more importantly, your sensitive business information. From boot up to shutdown, HP Wolf Pro Security protects against sophisticated cyber threats, ensuring your data remains confidential and network secure. Customize settings to fit your specific security policies, giving you peace of mind that financial reports and client data are shielded from unauthorized access. This security is critical for any office, offering an invaluable layer of defense. The HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101fdw is more than just an all-in-one. It's an investment in your office's future. It combines blistering speed, unparalleled connectivity, and enterprise-grade security in one sleek, reliable package. To elevate productivity, streamline document management, and protect vital information, this is the printer you need. Built for modern office demands, it ensures less time wrestling with tech, more time growing your business. Don't let outdated tech hold you back any longer. Upgrade your office experience today and feel the difference. Find the link to purchase the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101fdw and transform your workspace. Right down in the description below. Invest in efficiency and empower your team.